Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button for more mind-blowing science content. Today's question is a real head scratcher. Believe it or not, some people swear they can, but is there any truth to this bizarre claim? You see, our trusty taste buds on the tongue are the champion of flavor detection. But our eyes have a secret weapon, tiny tear ducts that connect straight to the nasal cavity. When water touches your eyes, it can trigger these tear ducts, sending signals to your brain. These signals might get interrupted as taste, especially if there's a strong smell involved. That's why a drop of lemon in your eyes might taste sour. Our bodies are amazing, right? Speaking of amazing, my daughter just hit me with this one. Why don't eggs tell jokes? Because they'd crack each other up. See, that's a yolk. Get it? Yolk, joke. Back to our eyes. This is a fascinating example of how our senses work together to create a complete picture of the world around us. So, have you ever experienced this weird eye-tasting phenomenon? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos for mind-blowing science content. We have a ton of fascinating topics waiting to be explored. See you next time.